Welcome arithmetic ninjas to question number 9, and this one's all about adding two decimals. Now the first thing to notice is that this number has 2 digits after the point, 0.38, and this number has 1 digit after the point, 0.7. Now what you don't want to do is end up with a situation like this where you don't get your numbers lined up properly. So if you write, for example, 56.38 and 24.7 like that, now that's not right because the decimal points are not lined up in the same column. And what we would end up with there is this 6 is in the units column, whereas this 2 represents 2 tens, 24. So you can't have 6 units and 2 tens in the same column. It just simply doesn't make sense. So basically that's because our decimal points are not lined up. So to combat that, it's actually a really good idea to put your decimal points in first, and then you're definitely going to get it lined up properly. So if you put your decimal points one on top of the other, and then put your 56.38 in, and then your 24.7, then you're going to get it lined up properly. Now you'll notice now that the 6 is actually above the 4, not above the 2 like it was in the wrong one. So now it's lined up properly, you can fill in this gap here with a 0, and then you can just basically add everything together. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, put the 0 in, carry the 1, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus the extra 1 that I just carried was 11, put the 1 in, carry the 1, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the extra 1 I just carried is 8. Don't forget you put your decimal point, because if you just put 8,108, that is wrong. We need our decimal point in, and that's going to make our answer 81.08.